In this video you will learn how to change your Razer Huntsman Mini activation point. Download and install the Razer Synapse. Make sure you have the latest version of the Razer Synapse software installed in your PC. Connect your Razer Huntsman Mini. Plug in your keyboard in your computer, then let the Synapse be able to detect it. Open your Razer Synapse, launch the software and select the Razer Huntsman Mini from your device menu. Go to the keyboard settings. Navigate to keyboard customizations, where the activation features are all located. Adjust the activation point slider. Use the slider to set your preferred activation point. This can be between 1.5mm for a faster response or 3.6mm for deeper press. Save and test your settings. Apply and save your changes to test the new activation point in games or typing to ensure it matches your preferences. Now you know how to change your Razer Huntsman Mini activation point. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.